Hey everybody, in this video I am going to do a side view of Jar-Kai, or two individual lightsabers at the same time. Could mean a lightsaber staff, but I'm not going to do that till tomorrow because that's when it's going to arrive. But anyways, I'm going to show you Jar-Kai from the side, mainly when I like spin it, you know? Yeah, okay, let's do it. Alright, let's get straight to it. Red and blue, what did I make? Purple Lamborghini! Okay, it's not the point here. Alright. Synchronizer rotation, alternating rotation. And back to synchronizing. Two-point attacks, single swing, first side, single swing left side, swing them at the same time. Okay, let's do the rotations again just to refresh. Okay, so now I'm going to put them backwards like this. Okay, so here's the basic stance. You can do it with one hand, do it with the other. I don't do it as well because I'm right-handed, but it doesn't necessarily matter. Do it with both hands now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it right now. Those are pretty much all the Jar-Kai moves I know. And sorry my lightsaber staff didn't arrive today. I got an email from FedEx saying that it'll be here tomorrow. I thought it was going to be here today, but it is what it is. Alright, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Revan Skywalker. That was my Jar-Kai tutorial pretty much for me naming the moves. See you next time. Bye.